Basically, Lulu's been around for 6-7 years now. A number of people have told us that we were the beginning of the change of Palm Springs downtown. We made a major investment, did a major gamble, and it worked. We went back to the river about a year ago because we felt that that was going to turn around. Same great menu, same great prices, same excellent food. You can come in and find something that everyone will love to eat. We also try and stay ahead of trends. We have a great gluten-free menu and a good vegetarian menu. We first propose an all-day happy hour. Our happy hour is the same portions as our regular meal. Our drinks are the same. You save anywhere from 50 to 30% in happy hour. A very, very good growing part of our business now is our catering business. Each of the restaurants has a substantial catering area. We also do a lot of outside catering, which is very exciting. Today we'll be able to show you how our executive chef does the wonderful meatloaf we do, how we make it, how we keep it so juicy and delicious, how we cook it, and if you want to try it at home, you can do it.
Hello, my name is Carolina Gonzalez. I'm a sous chef here at Lulu California Bistro. So today we're going to be making Executive Chef Arturo's famous meatloaf. We're going to start off with about 10 pounds of lean ground beef. We're going to add a cup of oatmeal and then about a cup of chopped parsley. We're going to add a whole onion, chopped. We're going to add 4 eggs. Half a cup of milk, some salt and pepper. We're gonna start by incorporating all the ingredients. So meatloaf is hand mixed. So we use eggs in the meatloaf because it holds it all together. So when you're gonna form it and you cook it, it doesn't separate or it doesn't break. And you don't wanna over mix the meatloaf because when it gets in the oven, since it's not all extra mixed, breaks in half and you don't get a nice formed shape of a ball. So once the meatloaf is well combined, you're gonna transfer it into a baking sheet with parchment paper. And you're gonna start forming your meatloaf into kind of like a football shaped. Kind of wanna pack it down, massage it. So now we're gonna put it in the oven for about 280 degrees for an hour. So with 10 minutes left on the timer, we take our meatloaf out and then we add our famous chili sauce, which is made with tomatoes, brown sugar, ketchup, and we mix it and we add it on top of the meatloaf. We leave it in there for 10 minutes so the sauce can kind of get thick with the meatloaf. So I've already sauced this one and it's ready to come out of the oven. So after we're gonna get our meatloaf, we're gonna transfer it to our cutting board. We're gonna cut about 8 pieces of the whole loaf. So we're gonna get our meatloaf and place it with our mashed potatoes and seasonal vegetables. We're gonna drizzle it with our house-made chili sauce again. So here you have it, Executive Chef Arturo's famous meatloaf.
Next time you're in downtown Palm Springs or in Rancho Mirage, make sure to visit Lulu California Bistro in Palm Springs and Aqua California Bistro at the river in Rancho Mirage. You're guaranteed to have great food and have a good time.